Hi friends, welcome to the Real Education YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about how to withdraw money from public investing application online at your home. So first of all friends, open the application. I hide my all informations due to privacy issue, and if you have any problem then please tell me in the comment section. I will surely help you. As we can see here, this is the interface of public investing application. In the bottom we can see here three options are available. In the last option is the, as we can see, this is the profile icon, so we have to tap on this icon. Now friend, this is the profile, but you have to scroll down your mobile screen, and as we can see here in the bottom you will see account details option, so tap on the account details. Friends, please tell me in the comment section from which state you are watching this video. Friends, as we can see here is the option of portfolio value, and as we can see here, this is the your cash, and this is the your stock balance. Scroll down your screen, and this is the your buying power. Scroll down, and as we can see here, withdrawable cash option is here. So when you sold your stocks, this will convert into pending deposit, so it take time to convert in all withdrawal cash. So this is your last withdrawal cash. As we can see here, I hide my all informations due to privacy issue and tap on withdraw cash option. They are asking how much do you want to withdraw from public application. So I want to withdraw some dollars, but as we can see here, available to withdraw is the 00 because I did not sold my stocks. So friends, first of all, sell your stocks to receive your fund in your public account, and after receiving your fund in public investing application, then you can withdraw your money. Friends, enter your amount at here and tap on the withdraw cash. Take up to 4 to 5 days to receive your money in your bank account. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If you have any problem then please tell me in the comment section. I will surely help you. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.